How much time? This is a slightly different problem. Time is now our variable. Right away we've identified the variable we're trying to solve for. And they want to know how long does it take to start from an initial velocity of 20 meters per second, so that's v0, and you want to have a final velocity of 100 meters per second, and your acceleration is 1.5 meters per second squared. Once again, we start with kinematics equation number 1, and we want to find time. Now some students will go ahead and just plug the numbers in, solve it, and see what answer they get. That's not the best way to do the problem. We're going to solve it algebraically first. We want to isolate time. So we put v0 on the right side, on the left side, we subtract it from both sides. And now the only thing standing between us and the answer is a. So we're going to go ahead and divide through by that a and put t on the left side because we always want to put the variable we're solving for over there. And we have v minus v0 over a. And that will give us the time. So let's see what we get. You can see the algebra we just did over here, v minus v0 over a. We plug in the numbers, and we're dividing meters per second by meters per second squared. So let's just show what that looks like for a second. So we have meters per second divided by meters per second squared. And that's a very uncomfortable looking fraction, so what we'll do is keep the top and multiply the bottom by its inverse, which would be second squared per meter, so that'll cancel out. And then we have to multiply the top by the same thing. Meters go, a second goes, and we're left with seconds, and the answer is 53 seconds. So the units help us solve the problem here. Also, solve the problem algebraically first, and only put the numbers in at the end.